Hi viewers, how are you? Hope you will be fine and doing well. I welcome you on the behalf of my channel Fashion Field in this new video. The content on which I make this video is about leather and latex motorbike dresses. These are gorgeous and mind-blowing collection of motorbike dresses. As you all know that fashion is a part of our personality and it gives exposure of you to your closest one. So why disappoint them? You can choose best design and outfit ideas that fits you most from the videos of my channel Fashion Field. See you soon, stay happy and stay blessed.